In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to terminate a classic snap and seal connector using installation tool SNSITB. After the cable has been prepped with a quarter prep tool and the braid folded back, you simply insert the cable into the back of the connector as shown, making sure that the dielectric, which is the white insulation material, is flush with the inner post, that metal flat section inside. The center conductor should be extended just a hair past the end of the connector at this point. The next step is to align the groove in the body of the connector with the teeth in the tool, as shown, and then simply squeeze to close the connector, leaving no gap between the sleeve and the connector and leaving a tight connection onto the cable. Installing a terminated connector is just as easy. I simply install the connector over the threaded portion of the wall plate, twist it clockwise until tight. Now I've got a fully installed and terminated connector cable ready to show my cable TV or satellite connection.